Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I take you from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea so you can live a life of freedom. This video is dropping on November 27th. That means yesterday, the 26th, is what we like to call Black Friday here in the United States. It's a time where people can make a mad dash for crap they really don't need, all in an effort to snag a sweet deal. And around the country, people will get in fights and say things they don't really mean and overall act like terrible human beings in an effort to buy things for the people that they love. So I can kind of just imagine how these conversations go on Christmas morning. It says something along, "Honey, I love you so much that I broke an old lady's nose just so I could get the last $99 big screen TV for you." My anti-consumerism rants and raves aside, between yesterday and Christmas, millions of Americans will spend money that they don't have. They're going to rack up a bunch of debt in an effort to make the holiday season amazing for their family. And it probably will be. There will be a lot of presents under the tree, there will be food to eat, and maybe even a vacation or two. And ultimately, they'll worry about it next year when they get their credit card bill, and then they'll take 10 or 11 months to pay that thing off, just in time to do it all over again for next Christmas. I'm not here to tell you not to buy that big screen TV. Although I am going to tell you to refrain from hurting someone or saying mean things while you do it. I'm here to tell you that you don't have to go into debt this holiday season to have a really awesome Christmas. And you can still buy all that stuff, you can splurge on that lobster dinner, and you can take that vacation. The way to do it is to set up a stream of income that is just your Christmas money stream. So let me tell you a little bit how I do this. I have my copywriting business, and that business it's my main job, and it makes whatever it makes. And that goes into my business account. And from there, I pay myself a monthly salary that goes into my personal checking account. And that's where I pay my bills, costs of living, and just regular expenses. And then I have a small amount that goes into what I call my bonus account, and then a small amount from my wife's paycheck goes into there as well. And that's what we use to pay for vacations or opportunities when they come up. And now I also have another account that I push a little bit of money in every month. It's my loan payment account. And right now it's just paying off solar panels I have on top of my house. But all that's coming from my main stream of income from that copywriting business. Now I also have 2 rental properties that I can draw from. Those pay me a little bit of money each month. And I have a side business called Montana Natural Products, where I sell driftwood, pine cones, barnwood, and crafts made from those things. Now each of these streams of income goes into a particular account that's designated for a different goal. And if I don't have a goal in mind, I move that all out and lump it up into my savings account. That's just pretty much a backup just in case all goes to hell. Now what I'm getting at is that you suffer from going into debt. If you suffer from going into debt every Christmas, you can buy yourself an early Christmas present this year. I'll give you a permission. Buy into the Know to Grow course that will show you exactly how you can make money without a boss. And then using the concepts from Know to Grow, you can work a couple evenings a week or maybe one weekend a month and make a few hundred to a few thousand extra dollars every single month. Think about this. How would your Christmas look next year if your Christmas account had $5,000 in it that you could spend guilt-free on anything you wanted? Go to knowtogrow.com. It's www.knowtogrow.com. Sign up for free. You can get started towards spending guilt-free on whatever you want to splurge on.